In a sad end to a pretty good season for Benny Bloss, he will miss the last two remaining rounds of Supercross with an injury sustained during a practice crash this weekend, suffering both fractures to his arm and his collarbone, which is pretty bad considering the timing of things. I mean, obviously, getting injured at all is bad, but he's been showing a pretty good season. I think he's 14th in points, which was 7 above his teammate, which, you got to take in the fact that Colt was injured for a lot of that, but still a pretty solid season. With a statement from the beta team manager saying, quote, "I'm super, super bummed for Benny. He's had a fantastic season representing the new 450 RX, and we are in such a good spot with him and the bike. The sport likes to test your mental strength every day, and all we can take from the situation is that we know the level Benny can get back to and better when he heals up. He will undergo needed surgery and begin the road to recovery. He will be supporting his teammate Colt over the next 2 rounds, as we are still in full swing to better ourselves each weekend." So I'm going to assume that if he's got to have surgery, there's the downtime for that, much less a couple, the week or whatever it's going to take to get back on the bike riding, 2 weeks, whatever it is. He might miss. Obviously, he's going to miss the last 2 rounds of Supercross. That's what they're saying. Who knows if he misses, the first week or two of motocross? That's up to debate. But you got to say he's made this bike look pretty good for the first year of the 450s. You know, it's not a bad thing. You don't expect a lot of these teams to come in, especially in the 450 class, with how stacked it is, to be top 15 in points. Not too bad for him. And we all know he is the giant of the sport. So that bike definitely has some speed if it's carrying him as fast as it is. But it sucks to see. You never want to see anybody get injured at all, especially at the end of the year where it's just like you've done all the work, you've put in all the time, and now you miss the last 2 rounds and you're maybe hurt for, you know, motocross or some testing for at least, and it just sucks to see. But hopefully, the surgery goes well. Hopefully he heals up quickly, and at most he misses a round. That's, knock on wood, whatever it is. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, are you a fan of Benny Bloss? Are you a fan of Beta? You're hoping that Colt did better, whatever it is. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.